Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 10, Python Sets. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. It helps you store multiple items without duplicates. You can create a set using curly braces or the set function. Duplicate elements are automatically removed. Sets do not support indexing. You can add or remove items using add, remove, or discard methods. Sets support operations like union, intersection, and difference, which are useful for comparing collections. You can loop through all items in a set using a for loop. But remember that the order of items is not guaranteed. This diagram shows how sets are created, modified, used for operations, and then the program ends. Here is an example showing how to add and remove elements from a set and print the final result. When this code runs, it prints the updated set with elements 1, 3, and 4. This example creates a set with duplicate values. When printed, duplicates are removed automatically. The output of example 1, creating and printing a set, is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, we add 40 and remove 20 from the set. The updated set is displayed. The output of example 2, adding and removing elements, is as follows: 40, 10, 30. This example shows the union, intersection, and difference operations between two sets. The output of example 3, performing set operations, is as follows: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 1, 2. This example loops through a set of colors and prints each one. The order may vary. The output of example 4, looping through a set, is as follows: red, green, blue. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a set of fruits and print it. Use curly braces to define the set and display it using the print function. Exercise 2. Add a new fruit to the set and print the updated set. Use the add method to insert the new element. Exercise 3. Remove one fruit using the remove method. Make sure the fruit exists in the set before removing it. Exercise 4. Create 2 sets of numbers and print their union and intersection. Use the union and intersection methods to combine and compare sets. Exercise 5. Loop through a set of colors and print each color. Use a for loop to display all items, remembering that order may vary. Thank you for watching episode 10. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.